This is the ultimate guide to understanding carpentry, and it's completely free. You can get it right now down in the description and the comments below. For a long time now, I've had this dream of sort of condensing all of the major ideas in carpentry down into one single guide. And this guide would sort of be a compilation of everything that I think is truly important. All the stuff you absolutely have to know to have a well-rounded carpentry education, right where you can see it all itemized in one place. Having that dream for so long finally led me to put this together, the Ultimate Carpentry Checklist. This resource, which is really like a free digital book, is actually two guides in one. The first guide is the Ultimate Checklist itself, a 150-point list containing every essential topic in carpentry. And it's actually broken down into numerous categories, such as power tools, hand tools, materials and fasteners, and we even have a lengthy section focused solely on concepts. These are the physical and technical principles of our trade, which every carpenter really needs to know. And the second part of the guide is the visual glossary. This longer, illustrated PDF is like a carpentry encyclopedia. It gives fast, functional explanations for every item on the list, and even includes clear, concise images for each topic. So if any of the terms or items on the list are unfamiliar to you, you can just jump over to the visual glossary and get some clarification on that topic. Furthermore, both the checklist and the visual glossary are actually divided into three headings: basic topics, advanced topics, and general topics that I think everybody should know regardless of skill level. For instance, the checklist starts with power tools. If you're a carpentry beginner, you can follow the tools on the list and make sure you have them all accounted for. You can even record which ones you own. And if you're an advanced carpenter, you can see how many of these pro-level tools you have and understand. The same idea applies to hand tools. There are so many hand tools on the market. This portion of the guide will help beginners know which tools to prioritize and then which ones they might consider moving on to when they become more experienced. And keep in mind, these lists are not brand specific. Ultimately, I think you just need to have some version of these tools in your collection. But from there, we also do the same thing with drill bits, driver bits, and router bits. All the important ones you need to know about and routinely use. Then we get into other topics, like lumber and building materials. If you've ever been confused by all the lumber varieties out there, or gotten lost in the lumber aisle, we break down the most important ones that carpenters should know about and recognize. From there, we move on to different types of cuts and joinery methods. Once again, you have topics that beginners should know, and then topics for more advanced carpenters. And finally, to top it all off, we arrive at concepts. These are the true bedrock principles of carpentry. Stuff that I've seen cause massive confusion for beginners and pros alike throughout the years. We've spelled out each of these fundamental ideas in our list. So if you've ever wondered if you have a truly comprehensive grasp on carpentry, this checklist is your way of knowing. I think you'll learn a tremendous amount about these topics just from browsing the glossary. And I think many people will be surprised at some of the simple details they might have missed over the years. If nothing else, in the end, this list is a great jumping off point. You'll be able to go out from here and expand your knowledge even further by focusing on these things out in the world. But with the guide in hand, you'll always have a conclusive resource that keeps this universe of information well organized and right where you can easily find it. I'm extremely excited to finally be able to present this free guide to you. It represents a lot of hard thinking, a lot of hard work, and it did take a while to bring it to life. But I'm very proud of the final result and grateful to all the people who helped make it possible. And really, the way I see it, this is just a start. We're going to have even more free guides in the future, more high quality videos, more great online courses, newsletters, and more. But this one in particular is special. So just cruise down to the description or comments below, follow the link, and grab your free copy today. And feel free to share the link with anybody you think would love to have a guide like this. But that's it for this week. Thanks so much for all the support you've shown us throughout the years. It means the world to us here at The Honest Carpenter. For now, I'm Ethan James with TheHonestCarpenter.com. I'll see you next time.